Hi there, I'm Alan Bean and welcome to How To, where we give you tips and tricks just to make your life just that little bit easier. Okay, so what I'm going to go through with you now with Zoom is a way that you can improve the sound quality. Now I'm using a reasonable quality of microphone, not just the one that's on a webcam or through your laptop, etc. So the quality that comes out of it is quite good anyway. But what I'm going to actually do, if I just open this up for you and put it on full screen, when you join with computer audio, you've got test, speaker and microphone. I'm joining with the computer audio to show you something down here. If you're down here, I've got the webcam that I'm using, I've got the Yeti microphone which I'm using, which is brilliant, and I can put a link in for that later, and the Crisp microphone. Now, what is Crisp, I ask you? Well, Crisp is some software. Let me just get rid of that. Okay. Right, now I've restarted the recording using exactly the same microphone, but using Crisp. Now, Crisp at the moment isn't turned on, it is just set there to do it. So let me turn that on. So that should make a difference to how the recording is, if there was a lot of noise in the background. Now, as I say, I'm using quite a decent microphone anyway, the Yeti microphone, which, as I say, I'll put a link below as well for that. But the Crisp is taking out some of the background noise. If there was, say you're doing it from home and there's kids watching TV in the other room, or for example, it could be the situation that, I don't know, you've got a washing machine going somewhere. That's where Crisp comes into its own, and the recordings are a lot neater for you. Anyway, I hope that is something that you may consider using with your Zoom calls, and I would say it's a very useful tool to have in the background should you need it for noisy meetings. And as I say, it also does the same from the other end, and it takes out background noise of what you're listening to if somebody's running a meeting and you can barely hear them. Brilliant tool, great to use on a desktop or laptop. On the mobile phone, questionable, but for desktop and laptop, which is what it's designed for, this is a fantastic little tool to have when you need it. Anyway, hopefully that helps. If you like that video and like the information on it, just click on the like button for us, and please do subscribe, and I look forward to speaking to you on the next video. Bye for now.